Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning into the mini vlog. We decided to go on a little bit of a hike because we spent all weekend just inside the house and eating lots of good food. So it was nice to just get out and move our bodies and experience a little bit of fresh air. So the trail that we hiked was Lake Alma Park Trail. The entire loop is about 3 or 4 miles long, but we're not at that level yet. So we decided to hike just half a mile to the waterfall and check it out. The drive to the hike itself was maybe about 20 minutes, and that's one thing that I really appreciate about living where I live, is that there's a lot of outdoor activities to go and explore. If you want to do hiking, biking, fishing, boating, whatever, there's plenty of things that you can do here. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.